Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is my Fiat 500 Abarth, and today I'm going to tell you something about the cost that you can expect when you wanna buy this car. First of all, you need to buy it. I bought it for 8,000 euros. Maybe you can find it for cheaper than that, but I paid this car completely off, so we don't have any monthly payments. The second costs are tax. In Germany, we pay our taxes for cars yearly. I paid for this car 125 euros for 1 year. That means 10 euros and 30 cents. Of course, this is not the only cost. You have to insure your car. My insurance class is not that high. Because of that, I pay only 60 euros. I know it might be a little bit much, but for this car it's okay. The third cost you will have is of course gas. It takes 35 liters. In Germany, we have an average gas price from €1.40 per liter. That means I can fill up my car for 40 euros. Usually I fill up my car twice, so every second week, because I'm driving too much, I guess, and my driving behavior is not so gas friendly, I say. Because if you drive this car not in sport, it is not that fun. It is like a normal Fiat 500. So every second week I refuel my car. That is 40 euros per refueling. That makes 80 euros per month. If we look to that in years, in 1 year I pay for gas 960 euros. Of course, you have to maintain this car as well. That means for me oil change and spark plug change, which I did this year. It cost me 150 euros, but you only have this once a year, so it is not a big deal. In total, we have a yearly payment of 2,000 euros and a monthly payment from 162 euros. I know it might sound a little bit much, but this car worth every penny. I enjoy this car and I hope you like this video. If so, please subscribe. I will make more videos with other cars as well. So I see you guys then.